Medemove, keeping you on the move.
Here we will demonstrate how to measure the size and wear Medemove Lumbo Sacral Belt. The Lumbo Sacral Belt is available in 6 sizes. Measure the circumference around the waist just below the navel, then refer to the chart printed on the box. Now let us see how to wear the Medemove Lumbo Sacral Belt. Ensure the belt is worn firmly and comfortably around the waist. The broader part of the elastic needs to be worn first. Fasten the hook and loop closures. The second elastic must be worn after, to provide optimum support. Medemove Lumbo Sacral Belt can be worn for postoperative support of the lumbar spine, low back pain or injuries, herniated or slipdisc, or lumbar spondylosis. The pad at the back must be positioned in the center, supporting the lumbar region. Now let us see how to remove the Medemove Lumbo Sacral Belt. Simply unfasten both the hook and loop closures, enabling easy removal.
We hope that you found this video helpful. For any queries, you can write to us at onlinesupport@medequip.co.in. For more information, log on to www.medequip.co.in.